And honestly, I really like a lot of this as a first pass. It's coming together really well. But one thing I noticed is that this rise is a little bit short. So I could just select it and I could press Command R and replace it, or Command Up and get a longer one, or Command Down to get shorter ones. But since I know this is a very specific rise I'm looking for, I want it to be horror and I want it to be pretty intense, I'm actually going to press Option Up and bring open our magic marker. In the magic marker, once I turn it on here, I can see rises related to the rise that was already placed here, and I can preview those by pressing spacebar. Or I can go to genres, I can select horror, then I can select intensities 5 and 4, and then I can select a rise. We can listen to it. And I love that one way better than the original one, so I'm just going to press return, and I've now replaced that original rise in my timeline with the new rise.